student, today we will starting our new chapter which is world religion. Basically from the earliest time people have different faith and beliefs about God. Different gods और डिफरेंट रिलीजन पर बिलीव करते थे. स्टार्टिंग से ही इनके डिफरेंट खुदा होते थे, डिफरेंट खुदा पर ईमान रखा जाता था. दिस बिलीफ आर का रिलीजन और यही बिलीफ यही फेथ कहलाता है रिलीजन. सम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड फेमस रिलीजन्स आर गिविंग बिलो. कुछ फेमस रिलीजन्स हैं जो कि बहुत टाइम से बहुत अर्लियर फॉलो किए जा रहे हैं. दैट इज इस्लाम, क्रिश्चियनिटी, जुडाइज्म, हिंदुइज्म, सिखिज्म एंड बुद्धिज्म. And on this chapter we have discussed all these religions in detail. So you must have to continue this video for the detail all of these religions of the world. So firstly we will discuss about the religion Islam that we all are follow in our country. Basically जो इस्लाम वर्ड है उसका मतलब है पीस यानी अमन और ये एक अरबिक वर्ड है. मुस्लिम्स जो हैं वो बिलीव करते हैं एक अल्लाह पर और उनका फेथ है डैट हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम इज़ द लास्ट प्रॉफिट ऑफ अल्लाह. इस्लाम जो है वो दुनिया में तेज़ी से बढ़ता जा रहा है. मुस्लिम्स हैव सिक्स बिलीफ्स हैं कुछ मुस्लिम्स के. डैट इज़ बिलीव इन अल्लाह, बिलीव इन एंजल, बिलीव इन होली बुक्स, believe in prophet, believe in the day of judgment, and the last is believe in destiny. These all are the six Muslims main beliefs. Now we will discuss about some facts about Islam. So now these are some facts about Islam. That is, firstly we will discuss about the holy book that all the Muslims are followed, which is Holy Quran. Place of worship, mosque. Holy place of Muslims is Makkah and Medina. Major festival that the Muslims celebrate, which is Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Adha, and the followers and is Muslims. So these are the some facts about Islam. So now move on the second religion, which is Christianity. Basically Christianity जो है वो रिलीजन है नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका एंड इन यूरोप का. सो हेयर नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट सम फैक्ट ऑफ क्रिश्चियनिटी. These are some facts about the religion Christianity. Basically the holy book which they are followed is Bible. The place of worship is church and their holy places is Jerusalem and Bethlehem, and the festival which they are celebrated is Easter and Christmas, and the followers of Christianity is Christians. So move on another religion. So now the third religion which we are discussing here is Judaism. Basically Judaism जो है वो smallest religion है दुनिया का. The world core Jewish population in early 2014 was estimated at 14.5 million people, around 0.2% of the world population. बहुत ही थोड़ी population है. So now we will discuss about some facts of Judaism. So now these are some facts about Judaism. Basically Judaism followed the book of Torah. The place of worship is synagogue and the holy book is Jerusalem, and the major festival which they are followed is Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, and the followers of Judaism religion is Jews. Now we will discuss about the religion Hinduism. Basically Hinduism is the religion of the majority peoples living in India and Nepal. Now we will discuss about some facts of Hinduism religion. So now these are some facts about the religion Hinduism. The book they are followed is Vedas and Upanishad. The place of worship of Hindus is Mandir. Holy place is river Gangas with many others. Major festival which they are celebrated is Diwali, and the followers of Hinduism is Hindus. Now move on another religion which is Sikhism. Now Sikhism followed the teaching of Guru Nanak and 9 other gurus. This religion was founded in the 60th century, and the book which they are followed is Guru Granth Sahib, and their place of worship called Gurdwara. So these are some facts about this religion Sikhism, which is followed by the peoples of the world. Now the next religion is Buddhism. नाउ द रिलीजन बुद्धिज़्म जो है वो स्टार्ट हुआ था फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इंडिया, एंड इट इज़ द बेस्ड ऑन टीचिंग ऑफ सिद्धार्था गौतमा. बुद्धिज़्म जो है वो टीच करता है पीपल्स को टू गिव अप सेल्फ एंड अर्थली डिज़ायर, कि अपनी दुनियावी ख्वाहिशों को और अपने सेल्फ डिज़ायर्स को कंट्रोल करो, एंड टू लिव पीसफुली. तभी तुम आसानी से पीसफुली अमन के साथ दुनिया में रह सकते हो. बुद्धिस्ट जो है वो वर्शिप करते हैं इन अ टेम्पल. सो दीज आर लिटिल डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट दिस रिलीजन, and in this chapter
we had
so
discussed
here we
all
stop
the
our
religions
chapter.
of the world, which is Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Judaism, Sikhism and Buddhism.
So here we stop our chapter. We will continue our video with our next new topic. Thank you.